Guys, I am here. As you can see, I am a bird. So you can see I've been grinding on this game a bit already. I caused some chaos. I died like 5,896 times. But it's okay, because we can press this, as you can see. And wait for it. What am I getting? A grenade? I have a grenade, and as you can see, I have infinite ammo on that grenade. No, this isn't a mod. This is just how the game works regularly. You really think I'm gonna have a mod on a game that I didn't even showcase yet? Okay, so. Oh. Yeah, get cool. Yeah. Say wallahi, bro. Say wallahi. Say wallahi, bro. Say wallahi.
Let the noise strutting like
Oh, I almost just got ran over. Damn. Why is it dark? I don't like dark things. 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 Oh my lord. Oh yeah, come here. I have a nice surprise for you guys. Yes. I will make arson. I will do arson. Oh my god, no. Get this out of my face, please. I'm begging you. Get this ad out of my face. I hate ads. Please, thank you. What's going on? What the hell? I get out of the ad and I'm instantly getting body. What the? I can't. Go. What the freak? What the actual freak? Oh, stop it. Hey, what's that? What's this? Hold on, guys. I might have to watch.